10 months old, and we're walking. Like a drunk man, but we're doing it. Okay. Here you go. Yep. Pretty music yourself, huh? Pardon me, step on your own toes.
Looks like Grandpa Dolan.
Mm-hmm. Okay, here you go. Okay, is it done? We gotta start all over again. Okay, I'm doing it. That's not no. All right, ready, go. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk.
Oops. I'm not very good at this camera thing. I keep going the wrong way when I'm zooming.
He's smiling. You happy? Okay, go, go, go. Who's happy? What? Okay, get on. Well. Okay. It's pretty amusing. It's pretty fun. Pretty fun. Okay, come on. Go.
Come here, kiddo.
You got snot running, didn't you?
Come here.
Go. Go, go, go. That's a boy. Okay. Go, go, go. What? Hey, Dibby. Dibby. Okay, Dibby. Now what? You want to crawl? Yes, okay, Dibby. No, not rolling over. Come here. No whining. There's a puppy. Right. Whoa, close up of Cody.
Cody, move your butt.
Hey. Come here. No, not you. Hey, you big dog. Anyway.
The dog's breath knock you over? Yeah, it happens. Cody. Cody, we have plenty of video of you.
Duncan, get the puppy.
Go.
Go. Come here. Oh, sick baby. Come here, Duncan. Come on, Duncan.
His name is Duncan, not Cody.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Hey. Hey. Where you going, Mr. Snot? Hi, Cody. Ouch. Hi.
Get her, Cody.
Hi.
Get her.
Hi.
Get her. Cody, get her.
Oh, you're going to roll over into the door, huh?
That's me.
Come here. Come on. Come in. Come here. I need something you want. Mommy needs a toy. Hold on. Oh, look, Mommy got some food. Oh, some food. Some food. Come in. Come here. Here, come on. Come on. There you go. You got it. Dang it. Give me that phone. Oh, what are you calling? 20 years from now, when you watch this video, I really wonder what are cell phones. Where are we going to be with technology?
What's a cell phone?
What the heck's a cell phone? That thing was like Atari. Atari? What's Atari? Did I tell you the other day, I felt old because somebody didn't know who Spuds McKenzie was.
Yeah, you've told me that 4 times already, Tom.
Well, then you definitely know the story.
Yes, I do, Tom. Thank you.
Get it! Good job, good kid! Does he still coming? Ooh, nifty. You want to smile for Daddy? You going to smile for him? Huh? You going to smile for Daddy? What? Now what? Uh-oh. Gotta go get it. He's gonna figured out. And like your father, he's hard-headed. Now what? Come on. Come get it. But dang it, this is a lot of work. It's a lot of work, Mom. I love you, kiddo. Good job, buddy. Good job. Duncan do it. Duncan do it.
Okay.
Duncan. Daddy's talking to you. What? What do you want? Bye. Pretty amused with yourself, huh? I think Dad got the commercial grade industrial cell phone. Does it withstand baby drool? I guess we'll find out.
It's water resistant, so it's a good start.
Yeah, but Daddy. Get out of here.